You're looking for a luggage rack? A large, medium, small? This may be something that you are looking for, and we're going to show you how simple it is to install. If ever needing disassembly and removing the basket, it's a matter of removing everything off. You have an open cage or a closed cage. Unscrew and remove. Your basket, portable, mid-weight, easy to install and remove. You can place your helmet in. We have some tools that we could simply place in. Today, we're reviewing a bike rack. They come in a number of sizes for your bike. And we're going to show you what this product is about, how it's packaged, and it's taken on out. It is made of aluminum alloy. As you notice, we have a number of things in the product. It has an inside cover. We have here an outside cover, a hardware kit with brackets, tie wraps, Allen key, bolts, and more, and elastic netting, with an instruction guide on how to install. You're going to need a luggage rack to place on and adjust. With a bracket, a large bolt, washer on, we're going to take the basket, place on the top, and the bracket underneath, and start to lock down. And repeat for the opposite side, same setup. A bolt, washer through the holes, and lock down. Centering out and locking down with the Allen key, both sides. The open end wrench underneath holding the nut. With the netting, we have hooks that go to the outside, wraps around, and locks whatever inside from going out, keeping things secured. As we demonstrate in an empty basket, we have the cover that simply goes over to conceal inside. Simply take the cover, wrap around, and protect. It's reversible, that you have a silver side as well. We're reviewing from PIREKZUNT. It is a luggage rack for your bike. Nearly 18 inches in length, 12 inches across by 6 inches in height. It comes with a cage, elastic, that you can put anything imaginable. And it has here is a cover for weather.